Good morning everyone, Dr. Nat here. It's currently 2:20 a.m. and I need some sleep. But before that, let me teach you how to draw your assignment in isometric view using AutoCAD. Okay, so let's take a look at the assignment really quickly. So this is what we're dealing with. We have a orthographic projection over here. This is the front, the top, and also the side. So from these projections, we want to draw an isometric view. So if it is helpful, you can first draw this manually using your hand. You can sketch it, give you some idea on how to construct it later in AutoCAD, or you can straight away go to AutoCAD. It doesn't really matter, as long whatever works for you. Okay, so we know that when we are drawing in AutoCAD, we don't have any angles unless we specify we want a certain angle, right? So to specify that certain angle where we need it for our isometric drawing, what you need to do is type in Isodraft. Okay, so here you have several options. You have orthographic, which is what we currently use in our labs when we draw our front views, and isoplane left is in the isometric mode, isoplane top and isoplane right is in the isometric mode. So let's say I want to choose isometric, I want to choose isometric right. So you can see that the cursor has now changed from, it was previously a 90 degrees normal line, horizontal and vertical, but now it has some angle to it, which means that you will only be able to draw within these two axes, within the red and the green axis. So let's try to draw a line. Let me just draw a rectangle. I'm selecting a rectangle here. So our rectangle, we had our height as 60 and our width as 70, right? So let's try 60 going down, and then, oh, didn't let me specify. Let me try using line then. Okay, 60 going down, and then I know that I need to have 70 as my width, and I need to have, where's my width, and my height is 60 and my width is 70. Connect those two together, escape. So this is what we have. We have our 60 by 70 rectangle here, and then I click on Isodraft again. Now I want to make another isometric plane, which is not this plane. I click on Isodraft and I try to do my isoplane left. Let's see. So now the cursor has changed again, which means that now I'm only able to draw within these two axes, the green and the red axis. So if I were to select line and I want it to connect, but first I need to know what is the what do you call it, dimensions. 3 plus 4 is 70 and 60. Okay, so here we're gonna use a line. So I'm connecting it with a node. If you don't see this, click on your snap mode over here. No, this is not snap mode, this is ortho mode. Our snap mode is here, over here. Okay, so now I am connecting my line. I want to start my line over here. So now I am only able to extend my line here, here, upwards, and only downwards, because I am only able to go within the red and green axis. So we specified the depth was 70, right? So let's do 70. And then going down would be, I don't remember, I think it's 60. And let's connect these nodes together. So this is what I have. So now I want to try isoplane, Isodraft, enter, isoplane top. So again, your cursor has changed. Look at it. This is the red and the green axis tells you the plane that you are able to draw. So now you select your line. You are only able to draw within these axes, within this plane. So this is going to be 70, I believe, and we are going to connect this. And if I wanted to make this like this, I can, because I am able to draw within this plane. Okay, so that is your isometric view, even though it's not complete, but I showed you how to use IsoDraft. It has 4 modes. Again, it has 4 modes. If you don't want to be in the isometric drawing mode, you go back to orthographic and you are free to use this is like your normal orthographic projection drawing that we use in class. So no angles associated unless you specify it to have an angle. Okay, so good luck for your assignment. I'll see you around. Bye bye.